Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Classes with me. So this is about news video. So let's start. The first news headline is about Tesla. Yes, this news headline is really interesting because right now, after 4 years, after 4 years, due to taxation and other issue, Tesla was not able to enter India and start their production. Right now, Tesla has confirmed, Elon Musk has confirmed on his Twitter account that Tesla is coming to India on starting month of 2021. Yes, you heard it right. Starting month of 2021, the taxes will be low because it's an electric vehicle and it will be manufactured in India only. Right now, the R&D department of Tesla is being manufactured in Bangalore. So that's a really good news. So let's write the question about this. Question is enter. See, these are very common word, but just find the meaning of it. So this is about the first news headline. Now let's move to the second news headline. Second news headline is about Reliance Retail. My God, so much investment. Yes, Reliance Retail is getting one more new investment from two companies, and that would be around 6,500 crore rupees investment. Reliance Retail is selling their stakes of 3% to these two companies, GIC and TPG. That is for the competition of the two huge marketing sectors, or we can say the retail sectors in India. First is Walmart's Flipkart. Yes, Walmart, Flipkart, and second is Amazon. To compete this, most of the company are investing on the Reliance because Reliance is now on the top list of retail in India. So that's good news and tough business competition, right? So let's read the question about this news headline. Let's find the meaning of retail. Okay, you have to just find the meaning of the word and write it in the comment section. Um, so let's move to the third news headline. Third news headline is about small business. Yes, right now, 2 days earlier, only RBI has pop out much more rules and regulation regarding credit card and debit cards. Also, with that, they have also um, put out some information regarding the loan. What happened in this pandemic situation? Most of the small businesses have taken loans. Small business like education sector or automotive sector, small version, yeah, they have taken loan, but they are not able to pay their interest because due to this long shutdown and lockdown and pandemic situation. So RBI has proposed a new instruction that they will waive off interest on interest. What is interest on interest? Like when you take a loan from a bank, you have to pay the loan amount with an interest amount to that bank with a given time period. And if you bypass the time period, so there will be an extra fine, or we can say penalty, which the bank will apply to you, that is called interest on interest. So RBI is gonna remove that interest on interest sector for the small businesses, and that's a really very good news to increase the employment as well as to become stress free. So let's write the question about this. Question would be business. Just find the meaning of the word and write it in the comment section that what's the meaning of it. So let's move to the fourth news headline. Fourth news headline is about school. School admission. Sorry for the writing mistakes. Yes, right now due to this pandemic situation and all, the school admission was like down right now. So in December month, there will be a huge admission criteria because most of the schools and colleges gonna reopen in this unlock 5 criteria. So right now most of the school, around 90 to 95% of schools, are demanding Aadhaar card for the admission of the children. The reason is due to that Aadhaar card you will get to know about the address, and also this will means what we say, this will stress down the typing issue or the typing stress of the employee who might be doing all these things. So right now those who are watching this video and haven't made their Aadhaar card, then please make it. It's necessary right now. Question would be admission. Just find the meaning of the word and write it in the comment section. Let's move to the fifth news headline. The fifth news headline is about DRDO. Okay. News headline is huge. Let me make it a shorter way. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, Michelle. It was made by DRDO and was launched yesterday only in coastal side of Odisha. The two main benefits of this missile is it is lighter weight and easier to operate. Second thing is that when it reaches the target, means to closer to the target, it increases its speed like hypersonic speed. Yes, and this is a huge development from DRDO and good for our country. So this is the question of this news headline. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please click on like, comment and share button. And if you don't like this video, click on the dislike button and write it in the comment section that what should be improved, so that I can improve that thing from the next video. So thank you and have a nice day.